What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am still here at the Wisconsin location. I really love this location, and I love these things. If you guys haven't tried them, you really have to try them. They're so good, but just please don't put them in your dryer. I mean, they won't be totally ruined, but they will last a lot longer if you don't. Anyways, I realize I haven't filmed down the makeup aisle yet, so let's go to the makeup aisle. Let's see what's new. This location has lots of new storage bins that I showed a couple videos back. The kind of squishy ones with the texture. We have a lot of new storage bins. So definitely go back like 3 videos if you want to see me kind of obsess over some storage bins. Here we are on the makeup aisle. I can't believe I skipped it already. I don't know, I'm just like getting carried away with all the goodness, and then I see like something over there, and then I'm over there, and then before you know it, I've skipped important aisles. But I wanted to stop here at the baby stuff. One of my other locations had a bunch of new burp cloths and sort of those cute pocketed bibs. These ones are the plastic back bibs. We have ocean, rainbows, clouds, hearts, more hearts, the little packs of washcloths. We even have some Briscoe baby tees, socks, the delicate little barrettes for when baby doesn't have that much hair, but you still want to get baby looking cute for pictures or something special. I used to put those things in Birdie's hair when she was little, and she just used to pull them out. I also used to buy her all sorts of cute little shoes, and she would take them off. So that was my experience with trying to make my baby girl look extra cute. She just would take it all off, like no shoes, nothing in her hair, yank, and off it went. I can't believe these are still here. These go for so much more at Walmart. I can't believe how much these go for. It was like a ridiculous price. I put it in the title of one of my videos. I think they go for like $12, and they smell nice. I bought a couple of these. It looks like we have some new packaging for the EOS dupe shave cream. Now we have butterflies. We have raspberry and lavender. I don't know if they changed the scents, but these are definitely dupes. Yep, you guys, we have dupe products here at Dollar Tree. Birdie and I have currently been using one of the dupes with the older packaging, and now I can't remember which one it is. I think it's the purple one, I'm guessing, but the packaging is different. So like I said, I don't know if the scent is different or not. I just felt like bringing you guys along in the car wash. It's a good time to eat a yogurt. Here we go. I love this part! Actually, I love it when the really pretty colors come down. It's kind of terrifying being in here at night though. I'm not even gonna lie. Has anyone ever been like, what if I get trapped in a car wash? And when my kids were little, I'm licking my lips because I just ate yogurt, but when my kids were little, they used to be so afraid of the car wash. Okay, it's gonna get really pretty here in a second. I'm gonna turn her around. Get ready, here we go. Okay, just gonna put you guys right here. No, that's too close. I really wanted to eat my yogurt. I'm gonna eat my yogurt from Aldi while we go to do the car wash. Here we go. By the way, this is the touchless car wash. Soft wash or touch-free. This is the touch-free. This is the time of the night where I can't talk either. It's coming back. I really want to eat my yogurt. What's coming, you guys? This is the premium touch-free. It does underneath, it does rain shield, it does tri-foam, it does all that stuff. It does all the stuff. It does all the things. Okay, I want the pretty stuff to come. I think it's pretty time now. I think it's pretty time. Let's get pretty. Let's get pretty. I really want my yogurt. Oh my gosh. It is so pretty. Woo! I love it. Okay. I love it so much. I try to do all the car washes when my kids come out with me, because it's kind of like our special thing. But I really needed to get the car wash, because last time I came out, we had snow, and the week before that it was snow. And you don't want a bunch of salt on your car, not here in Minnesota. I'm actually in Wisconsin though. And apparently I'm a blabbermouth. Yes, I'm at Quick Trip. I've never done a come get a car wash with me. I don't know, that might be what I title it. Okay, time for the rain shield with the $sign in the middle. All weather protectant. Let's go. No, that's not a $sign. Oh, this one's peaceful. I like this one. Ready? It's raining. Yeah, that one's nice. Real ASMR. By the way, check out my second channel. Bunny Birdy Gator ASMR. Is it time? Is it time? Okay, time to go. Let's go. Pull forward. Oh, they already started the clock on me. All right, you guys. Well, I gotta really be super paying attention so I get my proper seconds. You know, time management. Let's see if I can do it. Let's see if I can actually get the car dried. I always bring those little Dollar Tree white fluffy towels to dry the car, to be honest. But it's only 23 degrees, so I don't know. You know, I don't know if I want to do that. And apparently, I have someone behind me already. All right, you guys, I'm going to end right here. I love you guys so much. Thanks for coming to the car wash with me. Super weird video, I know. But yeah, sometimes when you feel it, you just got to go with it. Love you guys. Bye.